Welcome, and let's talk about Binance Auto Invest. Of course, in this video I will teach you step by step on how to start using Binance Auto Invest and make a lot of money. Now when you click on more, I'm actually going to show you the past history, how you can make money, how people have been making money with Binance Auto Invest. It's a new something added on Binance. Now when you click on this, is what Binance Auto Invest. Okay, now when you click on Binance Auto Invest, what you are going to see here is now the past crypto coins that what people have been making money with. For example, let me just show you this. For example, this is Binance Auto Invest. It's still coming up. Alright, now take a look at BNB. Now in BNB, you will discover that in the past 3 years, BNB have actually gained over what 1,143% forward percent ROI, right? Return on investment. That simply means, assume you have invested a $1,000 on BNB in the past 3 years, you will have made over $11,400 right away. Now with Bitcoin, in the past 3 years, with Bitcoin have only gained 188%, which simply means a $1,000 investment in BTC in the past 3 years would have given you just what $2,880. Okay, so different coins have some, it depends on the coins you want to choose. You can see Ethereum is 741% return on investment. You can see 1,312% investment. Now what is Auto Invest? Auto Invest allows you to automate crypto investment and passive income. Okay, it is the dollar cost averaging DCA investment strategy. The minimum you can invest is $10, which simply means every particular month, let's say every 30th of every month, Binance will actually go to your spot account. They will remove $10 and they will invest it on that particular coin. That's what you created for. You create the Auto Invest for. Or if the money in your spot is not up to $10, they will now go to your flexible savings account and they will now remove the money and they will add it. And in case you don't have any money on your flexible account or your spot account, then the Auto Invest for that month will not invest any money for you. It simply means it will wait for the next month. If you have any money, then the thing will automatically add that money and you'll be earning interest on a daily basis. Okay, so that is one good thing about what Auto Invest. Auto Invest is actually good because me myself actually make money with Auto Invest in the past few years. Even before Binance added Auto Invest, I've started saving money using Auto Invest strategy. Okay, so with Auto Invest you can actually make a lot of money, but remember, it's not all coins that can really make you a lot of money using Auto Invest. The best coins for Auto Invest is Binance, is BTC, then Ethereum. These three are the best coin you can use for Auto Invest if you don't want to lose your money. But the number one that will actually give you more money is Binance. Actually, Binance is currently trading at $419.27. By the time Binance will start trading with, let's say, $2,000, someone that you choose Binance as the coin you'll be using for Auto Invest will make a lot of money. When you compare Binance and BNB, you discover that in the past 3 years, Binance have actually gained more than BTC. Even Ethereum itself have actually gained more than BTC. So, but these three are actually the best for me for Auto Invest. Number one is Binance, number two is Ethereum, and number three is Bitcoin. So please kindly know this video is not a financial advice, but only provided for information purpose. So please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button, and so that in order not to miss our next video.